Ceridian Dayforce Payroll. So in this video, I'm going to guide you about Ceridian Dayforce Payroll. So Ceridian Dayforce Payroll is a cloud-based system that makes payroll processing easier and improves workforce management. Dayforce Payroll makes sure all employee information such as hours worked and paid details is entered correctly. Then go to the payroll section to start processing payroll. Select the pay period, check the employee hours and confirm that all deductions and taxes are correct. After checking the information, run the payroll to calculate each employee's net pay. Finally, review and approve the payroll results and create reports for your records. Getting familiar with the reporting tools will help you track labor cost and other important data, making it a useful tool for payroll staff. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.